Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your Blockman Go account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blockman Go application on your device. And once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account within which you wish to add your friends. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, in order to add any friend, go ahead and tap on the chat icon at the bottom section and now tap on friends at the top. Within this page, you will now see the add friend option. Go ahead and tap on this and you can now enter the nickname or the ID number of the player that you wish to add. Go ahead and type in the nickname and then tap on the search button. And once you find the friend that you wish to add, go ahead and tap on their account and you will now see the add friend option. Tap on this button and you can now send a custom message or the default one by tapping on OK. And this has now sent a friend request to this user right away. After this person accepts your request, you will then become friends with each other on Blockman Go right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on your Blockman Go account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.